So this is a little bit larger of the box. This is the solar panels, portable solar panel I mentioned in the our first official video for our YouTube channel. And so this solar panel, I'm really excited. So this, I didn't actually get to say it in the last video, but it actually came with the adapters and everything too. Wall charger, all of that. I need everything. So definitely excited to see how this sets up. These solar panels will actually hook into the portable charger to where we can charge it up on the go. And then it also has the ability to where on these solar panels, I can get this set up outside, be camping, and just plug the USB from my iPhone out this, put it out near the campsite and charge it up. You can see here how it says the portable power station, 60 watt ability. It's got some, it's waterproof, foldable, comes in a nice, we see here a nice kit, just like the one before. It's got a nice little carrying box here that we can keep to use the box. I'll just show it first. And so we are actually getting to do our first videos here with the new table we just got today. But yeah, this is something that looks like just out in the field. So let's go ahead and get this opened up here. Definitely excited for when it's time to start camping. I'm gonna have to set the phone down here for just a moment so I can pull this out. I'm still getting the handle of how I'm gonna do all these videos. Got to check into the editing. I got this inspiration off of my buddy Jerry. He actually has a super awesome YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out, if you're not following it, definitely take a look at it. It's on Real Life Unboxing. He's got some super awesome stuff here. I think I've beat him to the solar panels, but this is super neat. It's very difficult doing this one hand, super easy straps. Everything right here comes in. Oh wow, it's got all kinds of adapters. This is amazing. So some serious adapters, just so that way, it looks like, I don't know what these go to. I'm sure I could read that and find out, but that is some serious ability to charge different stuff up. Really loving this case. It's going to be super portable, super awesome to hike with. It's going to be, it's eco-friendly. Like it's definitely, it's waterproof. Like this thing is already blowing my mind. So, wow. So this is amazing. We're just doing this on the fly. Didn't really plan much of this video here. Literally just doing this right now in my living room to get these videos out of the way because I've been dying to open these. And so it's got the stands here. So that's it's really neat to see. So I'm going to turn this way. Go ahead and get these stands set up. They look really awesome to where I can just lean these back. So let's turn this around here. It's standing up pretty much on its own right now. You could easily lay this out at the campsite, set this up on the back of your truck, whatever it may be. And so I can, it's a little bit harder doing this all with one hand while just holding the phone. Jerry, props to you. Serious props to you, Jerry, for having some perfect videos. Don't know how you do that. And so, yeah, this thing props up pretty nice. It's really cool. I can plug it in and charge up that battery pack with it. Inside here is where I'm going to plug those USB ports up, the stuff where those adapters are. And so this is just awesome. Like this is super survival camping gear, just my type. So yeah, if you haven't liked our channel, make sure to like it. We've got some more videos we'll be posting here soon. We've got a bunch of stim kits coming in. And if you haven't checked out Real Life Unboxing, definitely check it out. It was an inspiration to me. My buddy Jerry's been doing some serious work for over the last year, and it's really paid off. And he told me, if with my startup for Pure Legacy Future Innovators, Google searches to find our Future Innovators Facebook page. This is some awesome stuff we're going to do because eventually we're going to do some STEM tutorials. So just, like, subscribe, follow, share, everything. Just hope you really care when you watch the videos. And welcome to our second random video for the channel. Everything is just unique, straightforward, all ADHD, and all fun, as much fun as it can be.